several other races that you can set up with ErgRace. So let's go ahead and look at those now. Go down to create races, and you have, of course, your individual race, which is what you're going to use for any competitions you're going to do. But one of the cool features I like to do in class is the team race. Okay, this race, the team races have two or more athletes on different machines, and their score is either averaged or sum. The team is represented by a single boat. All right, you have the relay function. Okay, this makes it easier for gives the students a time when they actually will switch boats. And then you have the mixed erg race. This is for those schools that have a rowing machine, and then they have a skirg or a ski erg, and you can hook those up to the also, and the student averages what they do on each of the machines, and then you can do a biathlon. This is really cool if you were going to have a student do like some kettlebell swings, then come back and do some rowing, and they can still see what they're doing up on the board. So let's go ahead and look at team, because this is the one that you're probably going to use the most. Team, to do it, you go ahead and name your race. So I already have the race named 2,000 meter, and I have 2,000 meters set up, and I have 6 machines set up. So of course I can either do 2 boats per team or 3 boats per team. So I'm going to just stick with 2 boats per team. If I want to change that, I go down here, change it to 3, or go back to 2. And of course, you have the option of doing an average or also a sum. You can sum up. So if one person rows 1,000 and another person throws 1,000, then they finish across the finish line. Or an average, maybe one person does like 2,200 and the other person does 1,800, and then they'll have crossed the finish line. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the average, and then you just hit save and load race. Then you save it. And then as soon as it's ready, you can go ahead and hit prepare to race. But let's go ahead and look at what this race looks like. So I'm going to go to set up a race display. And I like hybrid view. And I have my 3 boats here. Now, the students that are on rowers 1 and rower 2 are on the same team. They're on team 1. And then the rowers on row 3 and 4 are on boat 2, and so on. This is what it looks like in rower 1. You can see it's rower 1 right here, and then right there, you can see it. They're on team 1. This is what it looks like on rower 2. You can see it's rower 2, and they're also on team 1. This is what rower 3 looks like. They're on team 2 and 3. Now it continues like this. Rower 4 is on team 2, and then rower 5 is on team 3, and rower 6 is on team 3.